Top 10 Dengrous dogs in the world. 10. American Bulldog. Origin, United States. Weight, 60 to 120 pounds, 27 to 50 for kilograms. Height, 20 to 28 inches, 51 to 71 centimeters. PSI, 305. Lifetime, 10 to 16 years. Running speed, 30 miles per hour, 48 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, versatile, thrives in active families with secure environments. 9. Fila Brasileiro. Origin, Brazil. Weight, 90 to 180 pounds, 41 to 82 kilograms. Height, 23 to 29 inches, 58 to 74 centimeters. PSI, 238 per 100. Lifetime, 9 to 12 years. Running speed, 24 miles per hour, 39 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, intense guard dog. Requires space and dedicated training. 8. Raza Canario. Origin, Canary Islands, Spain. Weight, 88 to 130 pounds, 40 to 59 kilograms. Height, 22 to 26 inches, 56 to 66 centimeters. PSI, 540. Lifetime, 9 to 11 years. Running speed, 24 miles per hour, 39 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, territorial and protective, best suited for experienced owners. 7. Dogo Argentino. Origin, Argentina. Weight, 80 to 100 pounds, 36 to 45 kilograms. Height, 24 to 27 inches, 61 to 69 centimeters. PSI, 500. Lifetime, 10 to 12 years. Running speed, 26 miles per hour, 42 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, strong hunter. Thrives in active homes with experienced handlers. 6. Rottweiler. Origin, Germany. Weight, 77 to 132 pounds, 35 to 60 kilograms. Height, 22 to 27 inches, 56 to 69 centimeters. PSI, 328. Lifetime, 8 to 10 years. Running speed, 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, adaptable, good for both urban and rural settings with proper training. 5. Pitbull. Origin, South Africa. Weight, 110 to 200 pounds, 50 to 91 kilograms. Height, 22 to 27 inches, 56 to 69 centimeters. PSI, 45050. Lifetime, 9 to 11 years. Running speed, 24 miles per hour, 39 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, loyal family protector, needs space and firm training. 4. Caucasian Shepherd. Origin, Russia, Georgia, Armenia. Weight, 99 to 170 pounds, 45 to 77 kilograms. Height, 23 to 30 inches, 58 to 76 centimeters. PSI, 550-700. Lifetime, 10 to 12 years. Running speed, 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, excellent livestock guardian, thrives in cold climates. 3. Tibetan Mastiff. Origin, China. Weight, 85 to 160 pounds, 39 to 73 kilograms. Height, 24 to 30 inches, 61 to 76 centimeters. PSI, 550. Lifetime, 10 to 14 years. Running speed, 20 miles per hour, 32 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, protective and territorial. And needs a strong leader and a large fenced area. 2. Alabai, Central Asian Shepherd. Origin, Central Asia. Weight, 88 to 174 pounds, 40 to 79 kilograms. Height, 25 to 32 inches, 63 to 81 centimeters. PSI, 50650. Lifetime, 12 to 15 years. Running speed, 25 miles per hour, 40 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, independent, suited for guarding livestock in large outdoor spaces. 1. Kangal Dog. Origin, Turkey. Weight 110 to 145 pounds, 50 to 66 kilograms. Height 28 to 32 inches, 71 to 81 centimeters. PSI 743. Lifetime 12 to 15 years. Running speed 28 to 30 miles per hour, 45 to 48 kilometers per hour. Lifestyle, strong guardian instincts. Thrives in rural environments with plenty of space. Thanks for watching. If you enjoying this video, like, share, and subscribe my YouTube channel.